I'm Dr. Nanda Rajaneesh. I'm a consultant laparoscopic surgeon and onco surgeon in Apollo Spectra and Sakara group of hospitals. When we do any laparoscopic surgery, it depends on what area you are doing a laparoscopic surgery. Whether you are doing for gallbladder, you are doing for hernia, or you are doing for an intestine or cancer surgery. So if you are doing a simple laparoscopic gallbladder surgery, the preparation is not much. You come on an empty stomach on the day of surgery and you remove the gallbladder. If you are doing a hernia surgery, if it's a very small hernia surgery, it also becomes very simple. The empty stomach, they get admitted on the day of surgery. But if you are doing an advanced laparoscopic surgery, the colonic preparation is a must. We normally admit these patients on the previous day and we prepare the colon. That is, we empty the intestine by giving them preparations. We call them peg-leg preparation, and we empty the intestine before preparing them for laparoscopic surgery. And secondly, we also try to clean the umbilicus. We also tell the patients to take good bath and clean the umbilicus and come, and we also wash this umbilicus area in the ward also on admission. And the preparation on the day of surgery is like routine for any patients, and you have to be very calm when you go for laparoscopic surgery, because this particular surgery is always done under general anesthesia. You should know this.